Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making a Filipino style macaroni fruit salad. It's not authentically a Filipino dish, it's more Americanized. I didn't have the couple of ingredients that goes into the Filipino style macaroni fruit salad. So this is my American version of it. So what all goes into the Filipino style macaroni fruit salad? 6 to 7 cups water to boil the macaroni in, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2.5 cups elbow macaroni, 1 cup condensed milk, 1 cup mayonnaise, 2.5 cups fruit cocktail drained, 1 cup raisins, 1/4 cup grated cheese or cubed cheddar cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and do a cube. I'm not sure exactly how much I'll be using on that. So let's begin. All right, so I have my water in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and put some salt in there and put the water on to boil. All right, so the water is boiling. I'm going to go ahead and dump in my 2.5 cups of elbow macaroni. And then you go ahead and cook it as per package directions. And my package direction says 7 to 8 minutes, depending on how tender you want it. And then you want to drain it and then rinse it with cold water. So next you want to go ahead and take a big bowl and dump your mayonnaise in there. And your condensed milk. And then stir until thoroughly combined. Then dump your macaroni. Make sure it is cold. Your fruit cocktail. Make sure your fruit cocktail is drained. Your raisins and your cheese. And I'm doing 1/3 cup cheese because it's cubed. I may add more. And then you want to go ahead and stir until it is thoroughly mixed up. And it's looking like the ratio, the cheese to the salad, is pretty good. All right, so once it is thoroughly stirred up, you want to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator to chill for at least an hour. And then after it chills, then you want to go ahead and serve it immediately. And I'll be back after it has chilled. All right, so the Filipino macaroni fruit salad is chilled. We're going to go ahead and dish it up and let my husband do a taste test. Now, in the Philippines, they a lot of times use this salad as a dessert because it has all the fruit and stuff in it. You can have it with meat too, and they suggest that if you're going to have it with meat, to go ahead and have a spicy meat so you can top it off with something nice and sweet. All right, so here is the Filipino macaroni fruit salad, and rounding off the meal is honey bourbon chicken.
Okay, so what is this?
Filipino macaroni fruit salad.
Okay. Never heard of such, but then I don't live in the Philippines.
They use it sometimes as a dessert.
It's interesting. It's not anything I would have ever put together, but it tastes good to me.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.